your hand was making room. I was waiting for a miracle, while the miracle was you. There were doors that never opened, there were dreams I had to leave, but every loss became a lesson, showing what I couldn't see. Now I'm dancing through the ashes where my tears used to fall, because the same God in the fire was beside me through it all. Every scar has a story,